Alrighty, welcome back. I'm Bad Chad and Queen Jolene's on the camera and we are on air. We have not been on air for 4 or 5 days, I'm thinking. And the reason being is we've had some problems in paradise. Me and Jolene worked together every day for the last 4 years. And we had a few issues. And we could not overcome them. And we took some time off, took some time apart. And I'm really glad that she's back today. I'm really happy that she's back today. I'm really happy that she's back today. I love Jolene so much. And sometimes you lose focus, when you're working with somebody for so long. You're not showing the respect that you should be. You might have one too many beers than you should have. You are not treating your partner as you should treat them. And that goes both ways, you know. It's not one way, you know. Basically, I think if two people are fighting, it's a 50-50 deal. And the reason being is there's two people, and then there's the truth, basically. But we've had some issues. We're trying to work through them, and we're working through them right at the present moment. Jolene's here filming, like she's here. And I have been working on the car. Yes, I have. I've dove into it on the time that I have had off. And the reason being is I've got nothing else to do. That's who I am, is I work on cars, I weld and I grind and I do that deal. Jolene has become the photographer and the person that does the internet. There's no yin with no yang. And those yin and yangs don't get along. Well, that means that there's problems in paradise. And I just want to let everybody know that everything's cool, everything's good. It's just we had to take some time for ourselves. And after 4 years of being on every day, I think that we deserved some time to ourselves. It was quite nice to take that time off and not have pressure to have that video put on there. I'm not sure if everybody understands or not, but for me and Jolene to come out here every day and make content, or try to make the best content that we can whenever we can. Some people do not understand the pressure that we've put on ourselves. You have not put any pressure on us whatsoever. We put it upon ourselves to make sure that we do something that we think people would like to watch. I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year, everybody a Merry Christmas. I know it's gone by, but I never got a chance to wish you that. We appreciate you coming back and following. We appreciate all the people that try to contact Jolene and contact me. Basically, you never got a response because we wanted some time to ourselves. And I am not going to come on here and knock anybody. And the reason being is I don't know the circumstances, like when it comes to the body work. When I see a patch or when I see a thing or if I've repaired something, I'm not interested in knocking the person that's done that repair. I would never go on anywheres and go on and talk to anybody and knock Jolene. No way. She is my queen, Jolene, and always will be in one way or another. And I've had employees here that have gone on and do other things, and I do not knock them. And the reason being is I am not knocking somebody to make myself feel good. I do not have to do that. All I have to do is keep busy and keep working on the car. Idle hands is the devil's broth. And what I've done, why the camera's been down, if Jolene wants to come over, I've welded all the holes up on this side on the fender, all the way along, ground them all off, front to back. I put a patch in here. I put another piece in here. I put another piece in there. I put a piece around the corner, filled a little hole here. I've taken the doors off. I've welded the bottom of the doors all up because I never had them welded on before. I just had them tacked on. Now they're all welded on, and it's got a brand new, well, I had a brand new bottom in the first place. I've got all the sills welded on, both inside and outside on both sides. The only thing I haven't done is a little piece right there. All the taillights have been welded up on both sides. I'm getting very close to actually getting this car welded up. I'm not sure. I put a new piece put in here because I didn't like this. It was damaged here. Instead of trying to, fill the damage, I decided to put a piece of metal in there. Basically, where I'm at now is I have the hood and I'm thinking about taking the hood off and repairing the hood. If you come this way and you take a look, you can see all the fire damage inside. I'm thinking it caught on fire. And what it's got its oil canned. That's what it's got. I'm going to take that off. I'm not going to take it off today, to be honest with you. And the reason I'm not going to take it off today is because I'm thinking that I want to spend some time with Jolene and just, talk things over, see where we're lacking. We lacked communication when she's down there working, I'm up here working. Something goes wrong up here when I'm doing something. My temper goes up or my feelings go up. Jolene has her job, I have my job, and sometimes it just doesn't meet like that. And what has to happen is that we both have to take some time and love each other again, just respect each other again, and it got lost. And if you're in that boat, or if you've ever been in that boat, you have to take 50% of the problem and try to figure out what is your part on fixing the situation. I think I know what my part is. I don't think I need to share that. But what I do need to do is thank everybody for watching and coming back and messaging us. Anybody that sent us a message and wonder what was going on, thank you very much. I appreciate that you care. That's what it shows. It shows that you care. And with this short video, I'm hoping that I'm going to show Jolene after how much she cares to me, and then she can show me how much she cares, that she loves me, I'm hoping, and that we can go forward in this situation. I am not perfect. Jolene is not perfect, and we're not always perfect together, but we sure do love each other. And if you can relate in this video, if you think your relationship's perfect or not perfect, we're not perfect. Nobody is perfect. And I was just to a friend's place, Chris. I went over to see him. He does Volvos. He works on Volvos. This is what he does. He does it for a living. And he said, this is a place of professionalism. And I said, Chris, what's that all about? It's written on his door. And he said, well, I'm tired of people coming here and knocking me down because I'm trying to fix their car, and they're complaining about things. They're complaining about things, and it basically is about the price or what happened. But a lot of people don't realize, things have changed. Prices have gone up. Diesel fuel has cost more. That means more prices. Your price to get your parts is, more. Basically, people make mistakes. I make mistakes. Jolene makes mistakes. And all we have to do is be able to recognize it and then try to fix it. So I'm going to actually take the Volvo over to Chris's place, I'm hoping. I don't know what Chris was all about, but the place of professionalism was pretty cool when I seen it on his door. But I'm going to take it over his place. I'll get it running and get it shifting, or get it with the brakes on it. And that way there I can start doing the body work on it and stuff. But we will be starting a new project soon. Not sure when the new project's coming in, but I'm going to start one. I want to say to Peter from Sydney, I guess he had a couple heart attacks, and I want to wish him the best. Look after yourself, Peter, and we'll be back hopefully. I want to go back to Rick's place and have some more cabbage rolls. I really do. I do. But I don't know what to say. Just kind of, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect, and I admit it. And we've had a few problems, but we're going to work through it. And we're going to do the best we can. And we'll be back. I'm not sure when. Have a great day.